Twinsies. I love different shit like this. Got the
I cut that dope at the crib. I keep the racks like a real. I'ma go pop me a pill. Like a screw, I'ma give her the drill. Yeah, she said she love my drill. If she bad, then I'm paying them bills. I put a cat on my lip. She give me chin like a beard. Woman for a show up verse, and I'm coming with that line cause I'm thugging for real. Got two dead partners, I ain't even speak on cause I'm trying to put his mama in.
What's good, Nation? It's your boy Sleepo here, man. I'm back with another video. Today we at Sunworks. Car show is called Sunworks at sundown. We out here at the Fort Smith Brewery, as you can see, it's right over there. And I just want to show you guys the cars that's out here, and you know, just hang out for the day, kick it. They show me love, so I gotta show them love also. I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's definitely, as I'm looking, they got some dope cars out here. They actually doing the judging, and I've been here for a minute. It just was kind of hot. It's still hot, but it kind of calmed down a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys some cars. It got copyright on, so I'm gonna turn you guys back off, and shit, we just gonna vibe for the day.
For real, man. For real. Outside.
So we're gonna start all the way at the front. We got a Accord. There, man. We got my boy, Mitsubishi truck. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. We got a lot more I'm gonna add to the channel too. Yeah, I got some more stuff on the way right now. But yeah, one of the best sounding trucks, gang. Audio wise that I ever heard. No bullshit. This motherfucker is nice. Look like a LS. I don't know if that's a 5.3 or 6.0, but I love LS in like older vehicles. Got a Accord. Got a S. Look like a S10. Yeah, man. Got copyright. Some of this I'm gonna have to put music over, but you know what I'm saying, the copyright's kind of down here, so we're just gonna keep going until we get down there. Dang, I don't know what this is, but usually we call this like a little Pinto. Little small car. But I like all bills though. I love all bills. I love cars in general. Hand striping, hand painting. Yeah. We got it wrapped. So, I love creativity. Love it, man. Got a rat rod. Got another old school. Now some of this I don't be knowing what this is, like shit like this. You know, you say, what's that, Buick Fight, maybe? Yeah, my older guys know what, you know what I'm saying, be knowing what this shit is. Man, this hard. This hard. I like how it's still like it's like rusty, but I think they put like prime over it. I mean clear coat, my bad, clear coat. That boy down, man. Excuse me. What'd you say? Y'all about to head out? Yeah. Alright, gang. Wait, somebody back there? Huh? Oh shit, these glasses so dark I couldn't see nothing. Alright, gang, be safe. Alright, gang, be safe. Yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna drive both of them for faith.
I'll follow you back to the house then.
Yeah, alright. Old school. They actually got the information on them, you know what I'm saying? So know what this is. But this a long motherfucker. Got a katana. I remember, bro, everybody used to have one of these bikes in Louisiana. Got a, I think this, I don't know if this is Civic. I believe Civic. I'm not sure, but I've been planning to build one of these because I do want to import, because y'all know I'm American muscle 100%. But where I stay in Fort Smith, Arkansas, they love these ricers and shit, so I gotta give me a ricer. You know what I'm saying? I gotta have top of the line though. So I want like some older one like this, but you know what I'm saying, with either K series or like B series or shit. Got a cord. I think it's a cord. Look kind of stock, pretty much. I don't know what this is, but you know what I'm saying? Everybody got their own taste of shit. Texas tags on that bitch, so you know, that's dope. Now got a drop. I don't know what type of drop this is, but got a Nissan motor. Okay, Acura or something. Nissan motor. Maybe y'all be able to tell me what this is. But it's dope. It's low as fuck though. This motherfucker is nice. We finally got away from that copyright. But this thing is nice. He got everything how basically this car being rebuilt.
Alright, Sleepo.
Hell yeah, bro.
Hey, the Game Boy controller's a speedometer.
Damn, for real?
Yeah, it's a speedometer, a oil gauge, and a tip gauge.
Bro, what the?
I thought it was static, but it's on air.
Bro, this. Did the guy who owned this put all this together?
Huh?
The guy who owned this put this all together like this?
I guess.
Or did he buy it like this? Because whoever did the work?
I think he built it, because I remember seeing this one whenever the fenders and stuff were cut, he was still making the wide body. Like, that's all one-off custom molded wide body.
Bro.
I saw it rolling through Fort Smith once coming off the Rogers. He had the back gun, but not the front.
Yeah. Got a Jeep. I'm not a fan of Jeeps, but I respect the Jeep community. Man, Camaro game. Can't go wrong. Interior. Plush. Plush, bro. You cannot go wrong. Damn.
It's gotta go outside.
I don't know what this is, but this is hard. Got air horns on it. I love who kept the the vintage style. That's nice. Just like this one. That's the creative. Got a single cab, Chevy. Can't go wrong. Silverado.
What's up, bro?
What's good, bro? Hell yeah, I'm loving it. Got look like a Blazer. I think it's my boy. He got the he got speakers in this motherfucker. Here's those and shit.
My bottle's broken.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look like 6 15s or some shit. God damn. See, these music guys are different. They ass different. Different. Got another Jeep. Shout out to the Jeep guys.
I do this all the time.
For sure.
At least once a week, man. I'm telling you.
Got an S10.
You really coat this ambition, you will not have to worry about it. Like the systems and everything.
Yeah, I was just looking at it in that one too. Yeah. Okay, so this must be his buddy. It's crazy. I want to put something like that in my drop.
10 degrees cooler up there by the
Down this hard. Holly. Iran. Oh, twinsies. Wait, is it twinsies?
That's the
I
best
see one. But damn. Shit hard. That's what I want to put in my drop. Man, that's hard too.
I got one of the big stand-up ones.
Lot of color. The motor look clean, the engine bay look clean. Damn. Firebird or Trans Am, one of them. This bitch look nice.
I got the Guardian section. I was gonna have to go buy me one of those. I have to go there tomorrow and see if I can find one.
For sure.
I didn't pay enough attention to it last time.
Got a Lexus. That bitch lowered. Got a bike.
If you have not got your Sunworks and Sundown 2024 set,
I don't know what this is.
plenty of them left.
I love different shit like this.
I got another one.
This is hard. Volkswagen. Hey, what this is?
GTI.
GTI. Okay, I figured. Yeah.
But this is Ops one.
Yeah.
I don't know who the fuck drives that.
I think his name is Young Lee, from what I heard.
Forged carbon front.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing different.
I saw this thing. I was leaving Harley one day and I got behind it. I went, what the fuck?
Bro, this thing is different. This definitely my dream exotic car for sure.
That's a lot of carbon.
Yeah. So I think this is a Malibu. Yeah, 1980 Malibu. I was looking for these as a race car. I think these would definitely make a good drag or street. Put a nice LS in it. Seats look good. Shit finna flow. This bitch nice. Got a look like a Tahoe. Purple, two-tone. Yeah, this looks nice as fuck. Then of course, got the drop out here. Got the drop. Also got Draco, which I'm trying to get a name for it. I don't got a name just yet, but I will. Draco out here. Definitely had to bring him. I wish Voodoo was here, but he's still getting painted and shit. Got a Camaro. SS. Custom paint, two-tone, silver and red. Lamborghini doors, butterfly doors. This was at my show, my last show, bro. I think this thing is so dope. No bullshit. This bitch dope.
Yeah, when I get that Pontiac Fiero out, I'll bring it out. Yeah. The whole body is all
Another old school, don't know what it is.
I'll go find it. Remember that, man.
But paint A1, body A1.
Have like a little wing on the
looks
back.
good.
Yeah. The Fiero comes with 2.8. Waffle, that ain't bad.
It's tough.
I put a 3.8.
Interior A1, paint A1. Looks good, bro. Dang, this thing look good. Got a Mustang. Oh, these old school, I'm telling you, bro, they take so much time and energy and love. This is what I love, bro. Like, shout out to newer cars and shit, but when you got a clean old school, you can never outdo this, no matter what type of new school you got. You can never outdo an old school that's fully redone. You know what I'm saying? Like fully, dang, my mind just went blank, but you know what I mean, when you fully redo it. Cause it's, oh yeah, he had one at my meet too. This thing nice. Got a Sudi. I like the bronze wheels on the blue and red, like blue with red trim and bronze wheels. That's dope. What's this, Tahoe or Suburban? I think it's Tahoe, but that bitch hard. On them big things. Damn. Got a Maxima, look like. Custom airbrush working shit. that bitch hard. Truck with suicide doors on it? Shit. That's hard. Rusted and wrecked. Custom. Now, on bags. That's hard too. Lyft, Uber. That's hard. We got another Tahoe, I believe. Oh, got Chucky dog. This one was better than the one I got.
Gotta pay the cost. You gotta pay the cost to be the boss. Always been my dream to buy a foreign car and loaf and go get the green. The only thing that I was taught. Friends ain't what they seem. I keep my back against the wall. Gotta pay the cost to be the boss. Always been my dream to buy a foreign car and loft and go get the green. The only thing that I was taught. Friends ain't what they seem. I keep my back against the wall.
On your mark, get set, go! Unforeseen winning. Yep, let's get those so these boys can walk. Top 20 is going to be Nick Barron with a 69 Chevy Camaro. Next one is Lee Wickinson, 66 Chevy at Seaton. Next is Leroy Wilkinson with his 88 Pontiac Firebird. Butch and Denise Gilliard, 56 Ford truck. Mario Gomez with his 46 Chevy Fleetmaster. Sean Kitchen, got that beautiful patina truck down there. With a 13 Honda Accord. John Brooks. David May, 33 Ford. Taylor Henson, 79 Chevy C30. Buzz and Deborah with a 75 AMC Gremlin. Kyle Wilkinson, 69 C10. And we got another one, Sleepo. Where you at? For the 79 Park Ave. There you go. Recording himself as he comes up here. Well, I want to record you too.
Appreciate you, bro.
Thanks.
Conference Hard Garage Shop, 56 Chevy Bel Air. Luke Franklin, 94 Nissan Hardbody. Juan Hernandez, 48 Chevy 3100. Junior D, 95 Mazda Miata. Dalton Sandler, 15 Chevy Tahoe. Tommy Huff with the 68 Olds Cutlass. Red Jones with the 12 Harley Davidson Softail.
All right, that was our top 20. And if you didn't get a top 20, that doesn't mean you didn't win one of these awesome handmade trophies.
Alright, so Nation, so that's the end of this video. The meet is over and shit. So we got Draco and the black car out. Yeah, man, I don't got a name for him. I gotta get a name for him, bro. But I don't know what to call him just yet. But I'll have a name soon. But alright, my boy. Yeah, man. But we just finished the meet and shit. Dope show. All the people that came out, all the people that won awards. I even won an award with my black car. But shout out everybody that came out. That's what it's about. It's about growing with the car community. No matter if it's my shows, if it's Sunwork shows, if it's whoever throw a show, stuff like that. Shout out to everybody that throw shows. We gotta support each other, bro. That's what it's all about. Support and stuff like that. But yeah, man, continue rocking with me, continue supporting me. All the people that I met today. Shout out to you guys. Yeah, and before I end this video, I gotta say, bro, shout out to one of my biggest supporters, my biggest fans. She made my whole night. I'm gonna post a picture, you hear me, right now. shout out to her, you hear me? And shout out to Kendra for letting me know that she was at the meet, or the show, my bad. She was at the show because I had to turn around. I actually had left, but I had to turn around to meet her. She's up around Harrison, Arkansas area. But shout out to you. Thank you for supporting me. People like you are the reason why YouTubers are big today, and people like you are the reason why I go hard. Thank you for being a part of Sleep Nation. You know what I'm saying? We're a family over here. So much love for you. So much love for everybody in Sleep Nation. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting. Don't stop. Keep supporting until we make it to the top. You hear me? Y'all already know what's down. Sleep Nation forever. Do not sleep on us. Okay? I ain't gonna lie. This my boy CL. You hear me? His ass really happy. You hear me? I let him drive Draco. He's so lit. He never been in something that fast or that modified. You know what I'm saying? So shout out my boy, man. He happy about it. Makes me happy. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you hear me? But thank you guys. I love you guys.